Hi, welcome to the show. Thanks for watching. I'm Kyle T. Katz, writer, director, editor, and star of Shotgun Grandpa. Hi, how are you? I just want to talk a little bit about what you're going to see in the next episode of Shotgun Grandpa. Sorry, next chapter. Shotgun Grandpa Industries is a subsidiary of Valtina Production Pictures, located on Hallmark Drive, AOA 7724. Today's episode of Shotgun Grandpa, chapter, is entitled Shotgun Grandpa Writes a Song for Children's Charity. And he does too. He writes a song and performs it, and it garners mass acclaim. Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm looking for Shotgun Grandpa, please. Yes, it's very urgent that I speak with him in a timely manner. Yes. What do you think this is? What do you think I'm gonna do to you? Please let me see Shotgun Grandpa. This is it! If you don't let me see Shotgun Grandpa in front of death, I'm gonna break him to the vital. Alright. That's it. I warned you. I want to see Shotgun Grandpa now. And if you don't let me, I'm gonna do something awful to this world. Hey, Mary Lou. I'm good. How are you and your son? Well, that's fine, Mary Lou, that's fine. Listen, you heard tell about this new songwriting competition for charity, for children's charity, Mary Lou? I just came by to see if you and your son might want to participate in the children's song charity. It's called the Children's Song Charity, Mary Lou. And it doesn't have to be anything too fancy. They just want people to get active and participate in the children's charity, Mary Lou. That's right. And so I've been writing a song or two, coming up with tunes and melodies and music and whatnot.
Hey there, Shotgun Grandpa. Why cannot you see? I'm still your little baby. Lucky you, lucky me. Hey there, Shotgun Grandpa. Still your pride and joy. I still believe in Santa, and I still want lots of toys. Hey.
Yeah, I want to see if maybe you and your son want to sit down and listen to one of my songs. Yeah, one of my songs, Mary Lou. Okay. Oh, no, that's fine. That's fine, Mary Lou. I don't want to... No, Yeah, we could maybe do it some other time. You say you and your boy gonna go have lunch, Mary Lou? Well, why don't we go together, Mary Lou? Why don't we go together? You, me, and your son will go over to the Fitzroy's over there on Boulevard Avenue. Yeah, we'll go over to Fitzroy's, get us some scrub and fried cannon. Oh, you can't make it? Is Mary Lou? Guess who, Mary Lou? No. Can't you tell by the way I use my voice and the way I talk? Yeah. It's Shotgun Grandpa. How you doing? I'm well, Mary Lou. I'm well. How's your boy doing? Wonderful. Can I say hello to your boy real quick? Real quick, Mary Lou. I just want to get a little hello in there. Just so Well, he can't come to the phone? That's all right. Remember what I was talking to you about the other day, Mary Lou, about how maybe I could be your husband, your daddy to your boy? Yeah, I want to talk about that some more, Mary Lou. No, don't hang up, Mary Lou. No, don't hang up. Let Shotgun Grandpa say his piece first. Let Shotgun Grandpa say his piece first, and then let Shotgun Grandpa say what he needs to say, and then you speak, okay? Mary Lou? Maybe we should change the subject, Mary Lou. Maybe we'll do that for a spell.